Imagine a world where light, not radio waves, powers your internet. LiFi, a groundbreaking technology, is set to revolutionize connectivity, with projections reaching over $40 billion by 2034. Let's explore its transformative potential. LiFi's rapid growth is driven by its applications in secure government networks, smart cities, telecommunications, data centers, and aerospace. These sectors benefit from high-speed, secure networks, making light fidelity a game-changer in crowded RF environments. Drones and LiFi are a match made in tech heaven. With its range, speed, and directionality, light fidelity offers drones unparalleled communication capabilities, supporting applications like surveillance, automation and robotics, as well as search and rescue for disaster response teams. However, challenges like line-of-sight dependency and weather conditions exist. Solutions are emerging, ensuring LiFi's reliability even in less than ideal conditions, paving the way for seamless drone operations. Light fidelity enables single drone control and drone-to-drone mesh networks, crucial for disaster response and intel surveillance. These networks provide real-time data, enhancing efficiency and safety in critical operations. Hybrid systems, combining ground and drone networks, offer innovative solutions for battlefield monitoring and C4 ISR coverage. Real-world examples highlight LiFi's role in secure high-speed data transmission. The LiFi market presents vast opportunities in hardware development and service models. With a competitive edge over RF and laser-based, free space optics technologies, LiFi carve out a unique market position. By prototyping, validating, and extensive testing, terra firma will lead the light fidelity revolution. Embrace this opportunity to innovate and transform connectivity, shaping the future of wireless communication.